Okay everyone, I just made a video showing around this abandoned house that I found, and this is going to be a video just on the kitchen appliances because I thought they were really awesome because they're so old. Got that old cooking stove in here, and you got this old refrigerator, and I just want to check them out. So here's the old stove. You got the doors that close on it. Small doors on the side, which aren't going to open. They're rusted shut. You have the area for cooking your food. And here you go with the tiny little oven. There's the drip tray for anything you might spill on the top of it. And the top, you got 4 burners. This is a gas stove. Oh, actually, that's in there pretty well. I just want to scoop this thing a little bit to see if there's a year on the back of it. Well, there's your gas line hookup. Nope, sadly, there's no tag. But I know that's got some age to it. Now here is the refrigerator in the house. Some of them back then were electric. A lot of them were propane. I don't know which this is. I'm going to try to figure it out. Okay, there's the mark. I don't think that's real gold. We got this really big, powerful handle. Here you got your egg trays. 2 rows for eggs. Wow, it was plastic even back then. You got your area for butter. And you see, it even has this. You see that? It says firm or soft, depending how you turn the knob. It has an individual setting just for your butter keeper. And I'm not used to stoves or refrigerators this old. How do I even open that? Oh. That was simple. I was trying to pull out. I didn't know it opened like a door. Bottles. Here's some kind of control. Oh, it's a button. Maybe that's the reset. Here's the freezer. Got 2 ice trays in there. There's the drawer. It's supposed to go inside of the machine. Okay. Oh, it is electrical. Here's its cord. It is electrical. I'm going to try to scoot this away from the wall. Well, I can tell you it's a lot heavier than the newer ones. There's the wiring diagram, but I don't think it says how old it is. Wait, it says manufactured. Nope, just the patent numbers. That's disappointing. weighs a ton. Well, if you want to see the rest of the house, just take a look at my previous video. Thanks for watching.